Hi, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. Today I want to speak to you about scripting, step by step, law of attraction. Again, scripting step by step. What I want to give you guys is the clear information on how to use scripting. Now, scripting is a little different from just writing. Scripting is writing out what it is you desire in your life as if it was happening right now. Yes, people, now, in the present tense, not something that's coming in the future. People, you have to realize, if you're saying something is coming in the future, it will remain in the future. If you say you're going to get something in 30 days, a month, you can still be getting something in 30 days. Hint, hint. That's why sometimes I don't really put time frames on things. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But most of the time I don't. Because 30 days could be 30 days in a month from now. A year from now, it could be 30 days. Okay? So 30 days can go on and on and on. So once you put something out in the future, it stays in the future. The best way to manifest something in your life is declaring it right now, that it is done right now, and that you are living it right now. So now, what do I have to say about scripting? Scripting is sitting, writing out, almost like a play, almost like affirmations, based on what it is you want right now. So it would include where you live, what you're doing, how you're dressing, how you're feeling. It would be a play about you in your desired life, doing and having what it is that you want right now. So let's just say I wanted a house. I would be scripting, thank you, God. I always tell you people, I use the thank you, God. Thank you means it already happened. I already have it. So I say, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for blessing me with my beautiful 2-floor townhouse with the fireplace. I sit by it every single day. Thank you for the 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, the wood floors that I see the glare in it every single day. I look out of my patio doors, the windows on my patio doors, and I look out over my balcony looking at the surroundings, surrounded by stores, surrounded by music. I hear the music. I got the nicest neighbors. They knock on my door every day and we talk and we laugh. Whatever it is to give you the life that you desire, the life that you desire, you write it. You write it as if it's a play, as if it's something that you actually are living in right now. It's almost like writing a note to yourself. Now, what would I do with that once I wrote it? I would read it. You could read it 3 times, like the video I showed you guys about It Works. You could read it in the morning, in the evening, and sometime during the day on your lunch break or while you're driving. Or you could record it, read it and record it, and play it like on your phone while you're driving. Whatever it is, when you script, you do need to read it, okay? The correct way of scripting would be you only script while you are in a good mood. Now, I'm going to say this again. Your vibration and your belief is what's going to get you there. So now, if you are scripting and you are in a negative mood, stop it. Don't do it. Wait until you're in a happy mood where your vibration is a little higher. You don't want to strip. You don't want to use affirmations. You don't want to do anything. Now, if you're in a bad mood, you can use affirmations and actually reverse what it is you're feeling. But when it comes down to visualization and all the other stuff, I advise you to do it when you're feeling a little more happier or when your vibration is a little more elevated. So what it is when you're doing scripting, step by step, you're going to take out a paper. I like to use a pencil because pencils are natural, or you can use blue ink. You're going to sit back, relax, put on your favorite music, like nothing really hard, something calm and mellow, something that you like, okay? So I use smooth jazz, or I use smooth R&B, or I use smooth rock, either 3. And something that's going to get me in a great mood. And I sit down and I first know what I want. And then once I know what I want, Then I start writing. And I make it up like a little play, like, thank you, God, for blessing me with my new house. I am so happy I have my new house. I go home every day. I sit in front of my big screen TV. I'm just very happy. My neighbors just invited me to a party, and I am very happy with my new house. I just thank you, God, for the 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and you just write out what it is. Now, you can also include in that scripting your perfect job. You can include your perfect car. I go to work every day. I'm so happy. I go to work every day. I get in my Range Rover Sport 2020, and I go to work every day. People comment on my car all the time. I have my husband. My husband greets me every day after work. You writing the story of your life, how you want your life to be. Travel all over the world, first class, whatever it is. Do not limit yourself. Do not limit yourself, because whatever you're writing, you're reaching for it. So if you're limiting yourself, you're limiting the distance that you can go. So you reach for the stars, and you reach out for it, what it is that you desire, and you don't compromise. Don't let anybody tell you that what you're writing is no good. You write what it is. That's why I tell you, people, keep your business to yourself. Don't tell people your business. You write out what you want. You keep it in your wallet. You read it in the morning. You can read it in a bathroom mirror if you want to. But you read it in the morning, in the evening, and sometime during the day. You write out what you want. Sometimes I use scripting, and I used to put it in my Bible under the 23rd Psalm or something like that, Our Father prayer or something like that. That's what I used to do, use scripting back in, 1998. So what I'm trying to tell you is that the world is yours. You can use scripting anytime to manifest what it is in your life that you want. Now, remind you now, while you're scripting, you're also using affirmations, because whatever you're writing is like an affirmation. Whatever you're writing, you're actually visualizing what it is you're writing, because you're writing it. So when you're writing it, you're actually visualizing what it is that you are writing on the paper. So you're actually putting in visualization, affirmation, and scripting all together in one. And if you're in a good mood listening to your music, that's going to propel you even further. I tell people, music is another thing that helps you manifest your dreams, because if you're listening to something that's good, that you love to listen to, it's going to put your vibration at a higher level. And it's a great way to elevate your vibration. So listen, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, sending you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson from the girl next door. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com or store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Listen, blessings to all. This video was on scripting step by step, law of attraction. Namaste.